Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to today's video, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can center a div in HTML and CSS. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, we will create a folder named project, and we will open that folder in VS Code. So let's open it up. So we have opened our folder, and now within this folder we will create a file known as index.html, and we will create another file named style.css. Okay, now within this HTML file we will write our HTML code, and I would rewrite some of this text. So yeah, first of all we will create a div named parent. Within this parent div we will create another div known as child, and within this child div we will write an h2 tag, and within this h2 tag we will write welcome to tutorials in hand. Okay, now if you are familiar with HTML and CSS, you know to use the style sheet within our HTML file we first need to link the CSS file with our HTML. So we will do the same. Okay, so we have done that. We have linked our CSS file with our HTML, and now we will see how can we actually center a div. So first of all, I will specify margin and padding as 0 for our body, because these are the some things which are set up by default. So we need all set to 0 by default. Okay, and write CSS for centering the div. Okay, so the first method which I am going to show you is basically using position absolute. Okay, so let's see. First of all, for the parent div we will write our CSS. Okay, and for our child we will specify the CSS using position absolute. So here the position will be set as absolute. The top should be 50%, the left should be 50%, and within this transform property we will set translate as -50% -50%. Okay, so now let's see whether our child component has been center aligned. So I will open our file up using live server, and as you can see my text is completely in the center of the web page. This is the first method which we have used. The second method we will use is using grid. For grid I will remove this entire child class, and inside the parent class CSS we will write display grid, and after that place items center. So now if you see again, our child component is basically at the center of the web page. So this is the second method, and the third method, which is the most popular one we use these days, is using display flex. So instead of display grid we will write display flex, justify content center, and align items center. So now if you see again, our child component is basically at the center of the web page. This is the three most common methods we use to center a div using CSS. So I hope you find this video informative. In case you like this video, please feel free to hit the like button and subscribe our channel. We are going to bring up far better videos in the upcoming future. And if you have any doubts, queries or suggestions, you can post them in the comment section. We will surely reply you. Okay, so thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.